Greetings, friends. Watch refrigeration news for Wednesday, November 18, 2020 on our channel. Arneg presents new line semi-vertical cabinets Velden LX. Coolselector 2 makes the component calculation for high-pressure transcritical CO2 systems. AEFYT presents its first online course on maintenance of refrigeration facilities. Measurements in ventilation and air conditioning systems with the Testo 420 bolometer. Honeywell's low global warming potential solutions approved by U.S. Environmental Protection Agency. Mike Kramer FInstR confirmed as the year president at its AGM. Trane Technologies spotlights the latest trends in decarbonized cities at World Climate Forum Europe. So, first news today. Arneg presents new line semi-vertical cabinets Velden LX. Arneg proudly presents the new line of island and semi-vertical cabinets Velden LX. The new line ensures the most effective promotion of excellent foods on the store and boasts a contemporary style that focuses attention on the high added value of displayed products, thanks to clean lines, transparent glass and scenic illumination. Velden LX stands out for two versions, island and semi-vertical with double basin and available with or without head case. Island, available with 5 different depths and 1 single height. Semi-vertical, available with 5 different depths and 2 different heights. Easy access to the products, for an increasingly simple and stimulating shopping experience. Wide range of accessories, dividers, ultra-slim shelves, bumpers, price holders and manual night blind. Velden LX line cabinets are remote and multiplexable, characterized by a great versatility and easiness of customization. Read more the news on our website today. Second news today. Coolselector 2 makes the component calculation for high-pressure transcritical CO2 systems. With the latest update Coolselector 2, you can now calculate components for transcritical high-pressure side systems from an application perspective. This allows you to select additional components with a better overview, giving you a more complete picture of your design. You can plan the overarching framework for your transcritical system and select optimal expansion valves, helping you maximize efficiency. Read more the news on our website today. Third news today. AEFYT presents its first online course on maintenance of refrigeration facilities. The maintenance of the refrigeration facilities is essential to guarantee an energy-efficient operation and the safety of the same. For this reason, AEFYT presents its first online course on maintenance of refrigeration installations, which will take place through its virtual training platform between December 10 and 22, 2020, in 4 sessions of 16 teaching hours. The program is divided into 5 thematic blocks that cover the fundamentals of refrigeration, the basic operations of maintenance of facilities, the use of oils and treatment of polluting elements, energy efficiency and monitoring of facilities, and, lastly, the regulations with recommendations to comply with the new safety regulations for refrigerating installations and the necessary documentation to update the maintenance of the equipment. Read more the news on our website today. Fourth news today. Measurements in ventilation and air conditioning systems with the Testo 420 bolometer. Poorly estimated ventilation or air conditioning airflow can lead to overconsumption of energy as well as poor air quality. Testo provide the solution to allow the end customer to benefit from a system that is adjusted, balanced and tested, in order to comply with required regulations. The Testo 420 volume flow hood, or bolometer, allows commissioning or installation engineers to performing balancing and taking measurements on large air inlets and outlets and precisely adjusting their volume flow. Read more the news on our website today. Fifth news today. Honeywell's low global warming potential solutions approved by U.S. Environmental Protection Agency. Honeywell today announced the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency, EPA, has recognized its environmentally preferable Solstice refrigerant technology for use in centrifugal and positive displacement chillers and industrial process air conditioning systems. Solstice N15, R515B, a non-flammable, low global warming potential, LGWP, refrigerant, was listed by the EPA's Significant New Alternative Policy Program, SNAP, as acceptable for use in centrifugal and positive displacement chillers and new industrial process air conditioning systems. Read more the news on our website today. 6th News Today. Mike Creamer FInstR confirmed as the year president at its AGM. Mike Creamer FInstR was confirmed as president of the Institute of Refrigeration at its AGM on 5 November 2020. I am very honored to have been charged with this responsibility and will do my very best for this wonderful industry and the excellent people that are part of it. The year provides our industry with a wealth of technical information and advice with particular emphasis on environment, efficiency, safety and innovation. Read more the news on our website today. 7th News Today. Trane Technologies spotlights the latest trends in decarbonized cities at World Climate Forum Europe. Today, at World Climate Forum Europe, José La Loggia, President of Commercial HVAC Europe, Middle East and Africa of Trane Technologies, a global climate innovator, will join Thomas Novak, Secretary General of the European Heat Pump Association, EHPA, for the fireside chat, "The Future is Now, Renewable Heating and Cooling for a Decarbonized Economy." Read more the news on our website today. That's all. Share the news with your friends. Follow refrigeration news on social networks. Please find the links below.